Right guys, oh God, what have I gone and done? I say it every year, I'm not going to do it, that's it, finished. And I've gone and done it. Garlic. Now the reason is, now this is going to sound, it's a man's prerogative to change his mind here. Now, I've got the second plot now. Now, one of my reasons for not growing garlic, again, was the lack of space, or the amount of space it took up for what has been for me for the last couple of years some poor results. Now, I've got my own elephant garlic. Now, I know that one's elephant garlic, but these two, they don't look very elephant-y. That one might be, but this one doesn't. They were on the greenhouse shelf and they all fell off, so I know that one is. This one may be. I'll just check the colour of it, because elephants tend to be a bit greenish, don't they? See, that's not very green. Let me show you what I mean with the green. Yeah, let's see that they're quite green inside. Look, oh, can you see that? Yeah, see? I got 3 big bulbs there, 3 big cloves anyway, so that's that. I'm going to put those in. Oh, I don't know, it could be, look, it's quite, that is a bit big for normal garlic, isn't it? You see that? Yeah, that's elephant, yes it is. It's got a little pup on the side of it as well. Right, that's elephant. And I was down Tesco's this morning, and I looked at the garlic there and I thought 55p. And that is bigger than anything I've ever grown ever. You know what I mean? So I bought it, and I think, looking at it, I think it's a hardneck. Now, I thought hardnecks didn't store very well, or is it back to front? Because it's got a hard centre. Could be wrong, no idea what variety is, and there's, on the outside, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 9 big ones on the outside, and about 6 little ones on the inside, so I'll probably just do the big ones and eat the little ones at home. So well, let's go over to the bed. I was going to put it in the, excuse me, lovely autumnal day here, but a bit damp, you know. I was going to put them in one of the birdie beds, but it's still full of carrots. And a strange thing with carrots this year, they have been very, very slow to start. And one bit where my onions were, that I interplanted with carrots, they've just started growing. I'll show you them now before we get onto the garlic. And all I'm going to do as well, a little bit of MICROGREENS compost, fertiliser, and I'm going to sprinkle some super soil on it as well. Nothing special for now. The main feed will be coming next year. But let's get over there and I'll show you. You see, look, just here, this was all onions. In fact, you can still see one over there lying there. And all these carrots this end, they've all sprung up very, very recently. I don't know if we can... Yeah, look at them, lovely. Oh, there's a few weeds in there. There always is with my gardening. But... yeah, so I'm going to leave them, I won't not disturb them, and that bed needs topping up a little bit anyway. So, over to the garlic. So just a quick sprinkle of this, where are we? Just a quick sprinkle of this Incredicrop fertiliser. I keep calling it compost, but just a little bit for now. The main feed will be coming February, March time really. And this will just be there for the winter. This is spent potato compost on top here mostly. Let's think about this then. Where's the big ones? There's the big ones. Do the big ones that in, little ones that in. Right. Okay then, about 4 inches deep, which is going to be about a spade on top of the bulb. Okay, on top of the clove. So it's quite a long way down. A lot of people plant them too shallow in my opinion. But like you know, I'm not a real expert. But I'm trying to do a bit of no dig and not disturb it too much. There we are, right down there. Now drop it in, that's it. 1, 3 across. That's better. That is a whopper, that one, look. Blunt end down, pointy end up. Let's get this one right, because this is a good one. Right down there, go on then, get in there. And one more here. They're about 6 inches apart. It should be all right. I think I've got one more of that clove, that bulb. Yeah, another big one. Look, cool. Take a bit of the paper off. Yeah, the bottom's looking good. Oh, that is a good 4 inches deep. 3 more there. There we are then, that's 6. Brilliant. So they finished there. About the same depth, maybe 3 inches. 1, 2, there we do 3 of them. And if you can, always break them off just before you're ready to use them, so you don't damage the basal plate. Oh. And don't try not to push them in as well, just sort of lay them in there and just firm the base in a little bit. There we are. There we are then. Garlic in. Make a note when I get home. For me, note to Steve, 2 rows of elephant, 3 rows of Tesco. Okay then, next thing I want to do is at least make a start on building this compost bin. Maybe get it finished, you never know. It just started drizzling a bit, so fair weather gardener, mate. And there's no great rush for it. Right, oh dear, look at loads of bits. Yeah, right. There's a destruction, so I've actually printed another copy of these off, just in case. I think the thing to do is lay everything out, isn't it? I know that's the lids, I don't need them for a while. There's 2 there. See, it's spitting with rain. Look. See, they've all got numbers on, which is helpful. I'm not a rocket scientist, but I think these are the main bits. There's enough of them. God, smell the preservative. And that's the lot, right. First thing to do, sit down and read the instructions. Screws. A, B and C. Start off with 2 number 1s, a 4 and 2 3s. And number 4, I can see a 4. Right then. How's number 1 different then? Oh, it's got it's only got 1 slot at the end, that's what it is on one end. So that should be easy to find, shouldn't it? I'm about as organised as a snake's wedding. There we are. So that's 2 2s. And a 4 and the 2 little funny shaped 3s. Here we go then, here we go. Okay, the start has been made. Now that I'm happy with where it is, I'm going to put those anchors in just to give it a little bit of stability. That's all they are, little U things like that. Time to read the instructions again. I'll leave that bit because I need to dig this out a bit, so I'll leave that for later. And that. And what screws we got left then? So I'm guessing it must be A's. Here we go. Oh, there we are, guys. That ain't half bad, is it? Just got to finish off the bottom tomorrow, bring the proper spade back, and that'll be it. Okay then, off home now.